All right, it's workbook time again, and we're going to do the review pages here. They are pages 72 and 73 in the Let's Go 5 workbook, and they are the last pages in the workbook. Awesome, let's get started. Part A just says unscramble and write. So the words are mixed up. Let's put them in the right order. Number 1 says, tastes chocolate, dark bitter the. So we should be saying, the dark chocolate tastes bitter. Let's write that. The dark chocolate tastes bitter. Number 2, it feels smooth, rough, or does. Okay, so this is a question. Let's use does first. Does what? Does it what? Does it feel? Does it feel what? Does it feel smooth or rough? Or you could say, does it feel rough or smooth? I'm gonna go smooth first. So here we go. Does it feel smooth or rough? Okay, number 3. The flower smell good. It smells. Okay, this one's a little bit harder. So we have to start off with like a command. Right here, the command should be saying, smell the flower. So let's write that first. Get that out of the way. Smell the flower. And then how does it smell? It smells good. Number 4, eaten he ever has tofu. We'll switch all that around to become, has he ever eaten tofu? Perfect. And part A is done. Awesome job. Okay, this is part B, and it says, what about you? Complete the questions and answers. This is like the end of the book, so I think that they want you to write a lot. So we're gonna write in some questions and answers and just answer about us. All right, first one. Have you ever been to the Grand Canyon? Let's trace it first. And for me, it's a no, so I'm gonna say no, I haven't. If you have, you could write yes, I have. Next one, Australia. So we should say, have you ever been? Have you ever been to, oh, they already have 2, sorry, I don't need 2. Have you ever been to Australia? And again, that's a no for me. I feel bad, I really want to go. But no, I haven't. Okay, number 3, potato salad. I think we should use eat here because it's a food. So, have you ever eaten potato salad? Yes, for me, yes, I have. If you haven't, you can say, no, I haven't. Number 4, a kangaroo. All right, this is a thing. Let's maybe use see. I don't think you want to say eaten, so have, you ever seen a kangaroo? And for me, yes, I have. I've seen a kangaroo in a zoo. If you haven't, you can say, no, I haven't. Next one, burp, 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 ravioli. So we'll use eaten because it's a food. Have you ever eaten ravioli? Yes, I have. In fact, one of my favorite restaurants serves a lobster ravioli that is perfect. Okay, number 6 here is skunk. In this case, it's an animal, so you know we could do eaten, but we could also do been, technically been to a skunk. But the best answer here would be seen. Have you ever seen? Let's use that. You can also do smelled. Have you ever seen oh, I was already there. A skunk? Yes, I have. Vancouver is full of skunks. So if you live in Vancouver, even for a month or two, you will see a skunk. And done. Okay, this is part C. It just says read and then put the story in order. So we'll take the sentences that are almost exactly the same as the blog that was in the student book, and we'll just write numbers here to tell first, second, third, or fourth. The title of this one is Hello from the Grand Canyon, USA. It's the same as the student book. So here we go. In here, the first one was this one because this was the title. It was Hello from the Grand Canyon, USA. So we'll write 1 there. And the next one, what do you think? We got tonight, afternoon, or morning. Which one should be next? Bing! Right here. Number 2. This morning we went rafting on the Colorado River. The river goes through the Grand Canyon. We went through a lot of rapids. So that's like fast moving water. They were very rough. We've never gone rafting before. It was exciting. Okay, which one should be next? We just did morning. So what's next? Tonight or afternoon? Afternoon. So that's 3. In the afternoon, we camped near the river. For dinner, the guides cooked steaks over a campfire. The steaks smelled and tasted delicious. Awesome. That means this is 4. Tonight, we're going to sleep outside. We can hear the river. It sounds wonderful. We can also see a lot of stars. We've never seen so many stars. All right, that's it for part C. Let's go to part D. All right, part D just says read the story again and number the pictures. Okay, so number 1 was Hello from the Grand Canyon. So we need a picture of the Grand Canyon. That's this picture, so that's 1. Okay, number 2 was about the river and going through the rapids and rafting. So let's find a rafting picture. Ding, ding, ding. That's rafting. That's number 2. Okay, number 3 was camping and cooking. So lots of cooking. Let's find a cooking picture. This is number 3, cooking. All right, and number 4 was sleeping outside and being under the stars, and that's right here. Sorry, right here. Okay, and with that, part D is done. Let's go to the last part. All right, part E, read and check. What happened? They went rafting or they went hiking? Well, They won't have to. What are they going to do? Cook steaks outside or sleep outside? They are going to sleep outside. The guides cooked the steaks. Now they're going to sleep outside. Last one. What can they hear? They can hear the river or they can hear the stars. Definitely the river. And with that, Let's Go 5 is finished. Good job, everybody.